There is a big difference between what each person think when they use the term open concept, because some people think that they need to almost remove all walls, and some just think that removing one wall between a kitchen to a living room is an open concept. And the truth is somewhere in both. But ultimately, we as designers still want to have some walls. There is some separation that needs to be created in between the spaces, because otherwise it will be a barn, a pole barn. It's not an open concept anymore. So it is very important to know the balance, as in everything else. Too much of something creates something completely different. So know your boundaries of what you're comfortable and not comfortable having. In general, open concept between kitchen and living rooms or dining rooms and living rooms are expected, are well perceived, because it does create the space where people eat and are comfortable and talk, and then merging that into the living room or the dining room bigger, and it creates that homey atmosphere. But beyond that, just because you think in open concept, don't go ahead and remove all inside walls just to create that, because you're not going to have the same effect. Use a professional that will tell you what is your limit.